flowers are blooming and it's summertime. Oh no, we just avulsed this finger.
This is an avulsion. The finger is cut, but it's still connected. It's important not to complete the tear, even though tempting.
First, here's what not to do. Don't try to superglue it back on, don't try to burn it together, and don't try to duct tape it. Okay, now here's how to properly treat it. Step 1, put the flap back in its original position. 2, control bleeding with a piece of gauze. 3, secure the piece by wrapping it with a bandage, but not too tight. Step 4, if it's a finger and you move it, it might fall off again, so just splint it in place. Step 5, put ice on it to reduce swelling. And of course, go to the doctor so you can get stitches. Now, if you don't have access to a doctor, you can try stapling the piece back on with the skin stapler.
Avulsions can happen on any part of the body, not just the fingers.
Ooh, an avulsed nose, an avulsed upper lip, avulsed tongue, avulsed earlobe, an avulsed male penis.